Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn English vocabulary for climate change and natural disasters with precise Tagalog equivalents. Let's get started. Introduction. Climate change and natural disasters are important topics that affect people and communities around the world. Understanding the vocabulary related to these issues helps learners discuss environmental challenges, understand news reports, and talk about ways to protect people and the planet. The following list presents common English terms associated with climate change and natural disasters, along with their precise Tagalog equivalents to support vocabulary development and bilingual understanding. Climate change vocabulary: English, Tagalog. Climate change, pagbabago ng klima. Global warming, pandaigdigang pag-init. Greenhouse effect, epektong greenhouse. Greenhouse gases, mga greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide, dioksido ng carbon. Pollution, pollution. Air pollution, pollution sa hangin. Environmental protection, pangangalaga sa kapaligiran. Renewable energy, nababagong enerhiya. Solar energy, enerhiyang solar. English, Tagalog. Wind energy, enerhiya mula sa hangin. Deforestation, pagkakalbo ng kagubatan. Reforestation, muling pagtatanim ng kagubatan. Conservation, konserbasyon. Recycling, pagre-recycle. Drought, tagtuyot. Heat wave, matinding init ng panahon. Rising sea levels, pagtaas ng antas ng dagat. Extreme weather, matinding lagay ng panahon. Sustainability, napapanatiling pag-unlad. Natural disaster vocabulary: English, Tagalog. Natural disaster, likas na kalamidad. Earthquake, lindol. Aftershock, kasunod na pagyanig. Tsunami, tsunami. Volcanic eruption, pagputok ng bulkan. Ashfall, pag-ulan ng abo. Typhoon, bagyo. Storm surge, daluyong ng bagyo. Flood, baha. Flash flood, biglaang baha. Landslide, pagguho ng lupa. Avalanche, pagguho ng yelo. Wildfire, sunog sa kagubatan. Tornado, buhawi. Thunderstorm, pagkulog at pagkidlat. Lightning, kidlat. Evacuation, paglikas. Emergency shelter, pansamantalang silungan. Rescue operation, operasyong pagsagip. Disaster preparedness, paghahanda sa kalamidad. Useful example sentences. Number 1, climate change is affecting weather patterns around the world. Ang pagbabago ng klima ay nakaaapekto sa mga pattern ng panahon sa buong mundo. Number 2, the typhoon caused severe flooding in many areas. Ang bagyo ay nagdulot ng matinding pagbaha sa maraming lugar. Number 3, people were evacuated before the volcanic eruption. Inilikas ang mga tao bago ang pagputok ng bulkan. Number 4, planting trees helps reduce the effects of global warming. Nakakatulong ang pagtatanim ng mga puno upang mabawasan ang epekto ng pagdaigdigang pag-init. Number 5, community should practice disaster preparedness. Dapat magsanay ang mga komunidad sa paghahanda sa kalamidad. Quick quiz. Match the English word with its Tagalog equivalent. English?
Teacher and student. Teacher, why is reading
Tagalog.
important? Why is reading important? Student.
Answer number 1, drought. Each letter
Because we learn new.
D, tagtuyot.
Teacher,
Number 2, earthquake.
we learn
Letter
words. And what happens when
E, lindol. Number 3, flood. Each letter A, baha. Number 4, climate change. Each letter B, pagbabago ng klima. And number 5, evacuation. Each letter C, paglikas. This vocabulary list is suitable for upper elementary, junior high school, and ESL learners. This video ends here about English vocabulary for climate change and natural disasters with precise Tagalog equivalents.
one small step.
Thanks for watching.